Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a topic that might not be on your radar, but definitely should be if you care about staying cool in your car. Low oil symptoms in your car's AC compressor. You probably know that oil is crucial for your engine, but did you know it's just as important for your AC compressor? If your compressor runs low on oil, it can lead to some serious issues, and recognizing the symptoms early can save you a lot of money and discomfort. First up, let's talk about strange noises. If you start hearing a grinding or squealing noise when you turn on your AC, it could be a sign that your compressor is running low on oil. This is because the oil helps lubricate the moving parts inside the compressor, and without enough oil, these parts start to grind against each other. Imagine trying to run a marathon without drinking any water. It's not going to end well. Similarly, your AC compressor can't function properly without adequate lubrication. Next, you might notice that your AC isn't as cold as it used to be. This can be tricky to diagnose because there are several reasons your AC might not be cooling effectively, but low oil in the compressor is definitely one of them. The oil helps keep the compressor's internal components cool, and without it, the compressor can overheat and fail to compress the refrigerant effectively. So, if you're cranking up the AC and still sweating, it might be time to check your oil levels. Another symptom to watch out for is leaks. If you see oily spots under your car, it could be a sign that your AC compressor is leaking oil. This is a more obvious symptom, but it's often overlooked because we tend to associate oil leaks with engine problems. However, an oil leak from the AC compressor can lead to low oil levels and cause all sorts of issues. If you notice any leaks, get them checked out immediately to prevent further damage. Vibrations or shaking when you turn on the AC is another red flag. This usually happens because the compressor is struggling to function without enough oil, causing it to operate unevenly. It's similar to how your car might shake if the engine isn't getting enough fuel. These vibrations can be a sign that your compressor is in distress and needs immediate attention. Let's not forget the ultimate consequence of ignoring low oil levels: a seized compressor. This is the worst-case scenario and can be very expensive to fix. When the compressor seizes, it means the internal components have locked up due to lack of lubrication. At this point, the only solution is usually to replace the entire compressor, which can cost a pretty penny. Trust me, you don't want to let it get to this stage. So, what can you do to prevent these symptoms? Regular maintenance is key. Make sure your AC system is checked during routine car services. A professional can measure the oil level in your compressor and top it off if necessary. It's also a good idea to run your AC regularly, even in the winter, to keep the system lubricated and functioning properly. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Always use the right type of oil for your AC compressor. Using the wrong oil can cause just as many problems as having low oil, so make sure you're using the oil recommended by your car's manufacturer. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever experienced any of these symptoms? How did you handle it? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Stay cool and keep your car running smoothly.